Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I'm here to show you how I brought back this beautiful unit that I've had for over a year to life. So if you would like to see how I accomplished this, please keep on watching. But I didn't do anything to this unit. I let it air dry. I didn't use a blow dryer or flat iron or anything. When you have an old unit, especially a human hair unit, and it gets a bit stiff, the best thing to do is, like you see I did earlier, is to boil a pot of water and just dip the hair in for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes and then deep condition it. It gets so soft as when I first purchased this unit. As you see, this hair is just so beautiful. It's like nothing that I could say about this unit. I had it for over a year and this was a lovely purchase. I am gonna leave the original video in the description box. When I'm tired of the black hair, then I believe I'll put some dye to this unit, and I'll also record that because I want to start doing more of those videos, as I do own many different types of units. So this is only the beginning. Apart from that, this hair was lovely. If there's anything at all that you didn't understand about my video, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. I will still recommend this unit to anyone who loves beautiful, long-lasting units that you can definitely bring back to life at any given time. So I really hope this video was helpful to someone, and if you are new to my channel, be sure to click on my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay beautiful.